Hold all the cords together. Take a separate cord measuring 6 to 8 inches. Place one end of this cord in a U shape over all the cords and wrap the other end over all the cords. Be careful not to wrap the end point of the cord that is in the U shape. Instead, pull the remaining cords tight. Insert the end of the cord into the loop created. And pull the top point of the cord. The knot of the lower cord will become invisible within the wrapped cord. Cut off any extra cord that is left over.